up, what is up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. We're starting this video in the car already. Just pumped some gas and I guess we ran into a little car meet over here. I think that's a car meet. But anyways, we're not going to that car meet. We are going to the shop again. I've been pumping gas every single day, guys, but it's all good. Gonna bring you guys some content. So another one of my specials are gonna get tuned tonight. 370Z. He is going to be getting street tuned with all maps, performance, popcorn, and the flame map for 650 bucks. I say myself 150 bucks. But seriously, guys, that deal is freaking fire, low-key. If I were you guys, I'd try to tune my car. Borrow some, if you don't got the money, borrow some money, or at least put the deposit down, because this deal is literally fire. But anyways, we're gonna be going to the shop, getting that car tuned. Oh, don't get my cook. They're going to that little car meet, look. Anyways, after that, we're probably gonna meet up with the homie David. I'm gonna be driving his 370 and see if I still got that driver mod in me. I haven't banged gears, like actually banged gears in like 6-7 months. So let's see if my driver mod is still alive or if it's dead. I'm probably a little rusty, but we'll see how today goes. Oh, my boy Eric, I don't think I mentioned it. We'll see. See what tonight brings us. So this is a 370Z we're gonna be tuning. Very sick wrap.
Yeah, same motor, same motor.
Pretty clean.
60.
Then his homies 370Z right here too. All the Z's are outside. You already know whose slow ass car this is.
2,000 years later.
Just like that, car's tuned. Sheesh, the first pop was a flame. Car's tuned, he's just gonna go do a little pass, make sure everything looks good. We're ready to go. Ouch. Hey yo! Oh shit! They're gonna come in here, coming in hot. How does the car feel, bro?
Oh, that's scary.
It's faster or what?
It's faster than before.
Hell yeah. I would hope it would be. I hope it would be.
in the car, bro.
TJ wanna do the popcorn map. There you go. Very nice, very nice. So how are you gonna get out the car?
Shut up. Don't fucking watch me, bitch. At least he got out this way. Usually people get out like crawling out of this fucking car.
One of his homies pulled up in the GR86. It's pretty nice. On the gram lights, okay. These cars are super sick. Almost got one of these like 2 years ago. All right, guys. So over here, we got the injectors. The injectors just came in right now, or like earlier today.
Right here, bro. I don't know if you want me to open it.
Nah, I don't really care.
Alright. Well, anyways, these are the injectors. These ones are gonna make Jay's power on the 350Z.
Yes, sir.
Hopefully, we're gonna push around like 650 horsepower.
650. Get out of here, bro. Hell nah. So Eric here hasn't seen the flame map. We're in it. Should we show him? I don't want to do it, bro. I feel bad for these houses. Let me make the right. Pretty loud, huh?
That's pretty loud.
I still haven't really got the hang of it, bro. It's different than the Z. It's weird.
Really?
Like the pedal, like you have to barely touch it. It's weird. Like in the Z, you know, you would give it like a good amount, not a good amount of gas, but like
Not with mine.
no.
Do you remember?
Yes. Legit gunshots, huh? That's funny. Whose homie is this?
You got me out of bed, bro? I was asleep already. Why'd you get me out of bed? What's the reason for this?
You forgot I'm your boss, and if I want you to come out on apple teeth. What do you guys think paid? It definitely wasn't this cool though, ass.
Dude, are you kidding me? I always pay.
That elbow looking real nice. Alright guys, so for this part of the video, my boy David here, he's gonna try to convince me to get a 370Z. You guys know I've been wanting to get rid of the Q50 for a while. I met up with the homie today with the Supra. I really want a Supra, but if I can't get my hands on a Supra, this is probably gonna be the thing that I get into. So I'm gonna drive it. It's pretty fast. Full bolt-on-ish E85.
Not full bolt-on.
Well,
just intake exhaust key.
And a ported manifold.
Okay.
Yeah, there you go.
Barely ported.
So
Z1 is barely ported.
we're gonna see if I still got driver mod, bro. I haven't actually banged gears in a manual car
I've never had driver
since before my car blew, and yes I did. Let's see how this goes. Damn, this reminds me.
Like my sweaty ass in here.
It's okay, I'm used to it.
Oh.
Okay. Just stock clutch, bro?
Yes, stock clutch. Actually, the drivetrain is entirely stock.
Damn, we got the seat warmers on. What the fuck? Hell nah.
I was hoping he wouldn't notice.
We did that on purpose? I thought it was like you were cold.
Hey, you fucking break the bumper, you better buy it. God damn.
Alright, I'm gonna try a little first gear pull. See how the tires are feeling. Damn. This car's spinning. Oh shit.
No driver mod, bro. What was that, dude? What was that? You suck.
That was actually your sipping clutch.
No, you just let go of the clutch pedal too late.
Dude, I haven't banged
Bird.
a gear like literally in 6 months.
Too early.
Not too
Yeah,
bad.
you haven't banged someone in 6 months? What'd you think? How did it feel?
It's really good. Oh my
Yeah.
god. It was spinning nice.
Look at MVP. Well, yeah, it's spinning. It's like fucking 25 degrees outside.
This car's so loud, I like it. Oh, driver mod, is that what you said? I could have sworn you said that like a couple seconds ago. That was the second pull in this car, and that was better shit than you, buddy. Second pull in your car, I'm driving it better than you.
You
already.
wish, pal. I wish we both had the same exact car, same exact setup, same power, so you could see how much of a better driver I am.
Dude, you don't understand. This is my second time driving this car. I mean, my second pull.
Uh-huh.
And I'm already shifting pretty freaking fire, even with the stepping clutch.
If you break my clutch, you're gonna buy me a new one. You suck with first gear.
You want me to crash?
You suck. You want me to show you how it's done?
You want your car, you crash it, I don't care.
Go. We're literally gonna crash right now.
That was mud.
Yeah.
370.
It's about to get me revved. So loud, huh? It's literally so loud. Oh, wait. Go, do the little pops. I don't like to do that, man, but for clout, why not?
I've never driven a car with rev match. I know how to do rev matches myself, so I don't need to do that.
That's
David over here bought
that's
the
a
car just
lie.
because of the rev match.
Look at what you drive, bro.
That's my daily. Have you seen what's in my garage?
Piece of shit that doesn't run.
Your car's idling like shit, so I would watch what I'm saying.
It's because you're driving it. It's because you don't want to put fuel on my car that you're driving. Misfiring.
It is, huh?
Yeah, it is.
Alright, let me see the red match. I'm just curious. Hey, that's pretty sick. That's sick. I'm not gonna lie. One more time. That's fucking dope. I want to use it, but that's pretty sick.
I don't use it.
Oh, we got a contestant trying to race. I think I did it right there myself by accident.
She's rowdy.
Thank you, David, for letting me abuse your car. I think I'm on a Z. I don't know, bro. I'm in between this or a Supra, but I was telling Eric, this car's manual. It's an A. I feel like you could beat on it more. Well, I don't know. B58s are pretty reliable too, though. But what I'm trying to get to is like, it's manual. I feel like it's a little bit more fun.
I doubt they can hear you.
That's all, man.
This guy's waking up everybody. It's, what time is it? 12:44. I don't know if you guys can see that. 20 a.m. on a Thursday, or well, technically Friday morning. We're driving around like men. That was a little better. You still suck, but that was a little better.
That driver, man, homie.
3:28 a.m.
Alright guys, we made it back home safe and sound. Got the race car right here. I haven't done a video on this car in forever. But as you guys see, the injectors are at the shop, so we will be swapping those out very soon. Next is the mass airflow sensors, another fuel pump, clutch and the flywheel, and we will be sending this thing to the moon. But baby steps, guys. Shit ain't cheap. I ain't rich. So yeah guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, do me a favor, hit that thumbs up for me, subscribe if you're new, hit that bell button so you guys get whenever I post. Catch you guys on the next one.